Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that TAC protocol token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, TAC protocol is an EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain designed to bridge Ethereum's decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem with Telegram's billion user network and Tone blockchain. Purpose-built for Tone and Telegram, it serves as a dedicated execution layer to bring full DeFi functionality to Telegram massive existing user base without fragmenting the ecosystem. EVM compatible infrastructure. Built using Cosmos EVM architecture, it allows developers to deploy Solidity based apps as Telegram mini apps, leveraging pre-deployed blue chip protocols and bootstrap liquidity, seamless users onboarding. Users interact directly from their existing Tone wallets, removing complex onboarding and positioning TAC as a contribution-ready chain. TAC protocol project institution rating is 4.5. TAC protocol token total supply is 10.25 billion and circulating supply is around 4.65 billion TAC token. TAC token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bybit, KuCoin, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.